Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for vocabulary drills in a language school. So let's suppose I am running a language school and I am receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I am manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time, so I am completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I am instantly going to reply to all the queries and messages sent by my customers. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, whenever a user sends me a message, a reply will be automatically sent according to their query. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for vocabulary drills in language school. For this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For this, I am going to open my WhatsApp chatbot and I am going to send some message like, so here I'm going to send this message, hey please send daily vocab, and let's wait for the reply. And here I have received this reply, hi there, welcome to Lang Boost Vocabulary Drills. What would you like to do today? Please choose an option. If I go with this daily vocab, I'm going to get some messages for the daily vocab. If I click on this next, I'm going to get some more messages. Now, if I go with this media-based drill, it is going to send me some image and it is going to ask me that I have to guess this image. I can also answer this or I can click on reveal. I'm going to send this message flower and then I'm going to click on this reveal and let's wait for the reply. And here it says hibiscus. Now let's go with another option. Take a quiz. So I'm going to send this message and it is going to ask me the question. What is the synonym of happy? Let's say the synonym of happy is sad. And let's wait for the reply. What reply it sends me? And here it says the correct answer is joyful. Next question, do you want to get the next question? If I click on yes, I'm going to get the next question. If I click on no, I'm not going to get the next question. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for vocabulary drill in language school. For this, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow access now. And now if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, then simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number through this button and you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp number and create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this Pabbly Chatflow account, then please visit our YouTube channel. So here this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and this gives the overview of all the activities, insights and performance metrics. Under this dashboard on the left hand side where we can see all these options, the next button is of inbox. So this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversations. We have this contact. So this manager leads customers and their details. We have this team queues. So this assigns and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this template option. You can create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this templates list. And if you want to explore some templates, you can click on this button. Now we have this option of broadcast. So this send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows. So this built the automated chatbot workflow and conversation sequences. If you want to send the catalog message, you can select this button. Now here we have this option of AI assistant. So this use AI tool to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. If you want to learn how you can create this AI assistant, then simply visit this video tutorial. We have this option of settings. So you can see all the options which we provide over here. So this will help you configure account integration and preferences. We have this option of get help. So this access support FAQs or contact the help desk. Move back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards this flows. So I'm going to click on this flow button. So here I have landed towards this flow builder page. You can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. If you want to create a new flow, simply click on this add flow button and let's open this. And from here we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot. But before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's quickly name this to WhatsApp chatbot for vocabulary drills in a language school. And now, before creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's first go through all the options and buttons on the left hand side. So the first button under messages is text buttons. So this button sends a text message along with multiple clickable buttons. We have this option of media button. So this allows you to send images, videos or GIFs with the message. We have this list option. So this shows a list of option instead of button. So if you want to send a catalog message, you can select this button. If you have a single product, you can use this button. If you have multiple or many products, you can use this button. Then we have this option of templates. So this is pre-designed message format that includes text, images, buttons and links. Moving to actions, and the first button which we have under action is of condition. So this sets the logical condition for branching the conversation flow. We have this ask address. So this prompts the user to enter the address and store it in contact field. We have this ask location. So this requests the user's live location. We have this ask question. So this is used to gather user input such as email, phone or feedback. We have this ask media. So this lets the user upload images, videos or documents. We have the set custom field. So this stores the user input in a custom variable for later use. We have this add tag. So this assigns a tag to user for segmentation and targeted follow-ups. We have this API request. So this sends or retrieves the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we have this connect flow. So this links the flow to another chatbot flow. Now here we are done with understanding all the buttons and messages, and now let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. To start this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. So I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords first. So here I'm going to enter hello, press enter, hey, press enter, hi, press enter. You can enter the keywords of your products and services also. This will help you analyze users' text input based on keywords and give the appropriate response. Now here we have also an important option of regex. So this regex is as important as these keywords. Regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. Here I'm going to enter the regex like, and then I'm going to toggle on this button. It is written over here, enter regex to match substring trigger enable toggle for case sensitive regex. I have toggled this on. This is for case sensitivity. So by enabling regex, your chatbot can understand more variation of user messages without needing you to add every possible keyword manually. Here I am done with adding the keywords and the regex, and next I have to create a message. As soon as I have activated or triggered this chatbot, it has to send a message. Just like this. As soon as I've sent the message, I have received this message. Now how we are going to create this message? For that, I am going to click on this circle, drag and drop this circle, and then select my content type. I have already explained to you all the content types. I'm going to select this as text plus button, and then I'm going to enter the text like. So here I have entered the text. Hi there, welcome to Lang Boost vocabulary drills. What would you like to do today? And then I have provided the option. Now as I've provided the option, I have to provide the option, a clickable option, such that whenever the customer click on any of the buttons, the message is sent to them. For that I'm going to use this add button, but if you want to provide more options, you can simply drag and drop this list and provide the list of options. I'm going to provide the button, so I'm going to click on this add button. Over here you can see that in this message I have bold this text. Now how we can bold this text? I have to go towards my chat flow and I'm going to put star in the end of the sentence and in the beginning. That's it. And this will bold my text. Now I'm quickly going to create the buttons like. So here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot. I have created 3 buttons and then I have provided the message for each of these 3 buttons. The first one is of daily vocab. So I have created the message daily vocabulary. Here is a word of the day. And then I've provided the word serene. The meaning is calm, peaceful and untroubled, and then I've given the example. And then when they click on this next, I'm going to send them the next word, and then when they click on this next, I'm going to send them the next word. You can expand this flow in such manner. The next button was of media based drill. So here I have selected my media. Now how I have selected this, I have simply drag and drop this media button, and then I've simply built the connection between this circle and this circle. After that, I have selected my media type as image. If you want to upload anything else, you can select from the drop down, but you just need to make sure that it does not exceed the file limit. And then by clicking on this cloud, you can upload that media. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to first delete this, and then what I have done, I have entered the caption, and as soon as they're going to send me any message, I am going to click on this reveal. If I click on this reveal, the answer will be sent to me. In the similar manner, you can create more such buttons. Then we have the slash button of take a quiz. Here I have asked them the question. I have not used the text plus button option. Instead, I have used this question. I have simply drag and drop this ask question. I have entered my question and I have selected the contact custom field. Here I need to select this contact custom field and then I have to select the format. I have selected this as any because the answer could be either text or the number. Now here, as soon as I've selected this contact custom field, whatever question I'm going to ask is getting saved in this contact custom field, and when they're going to send me the next message, and I can use this contact custom field to send a personalized message. How we can do this, I have not applied that over here in this chatbot because I didn't require, but I am going to explain you this once. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, from the settings we have to go towards this contact custom fields. Let's open this. And here I've landed towards this contact custom fields. Now here you can see all the fields which I've created. I've created a field for this answer. So whenever someone is going to ask me a question, I'm going to select the contact custom field as answer, and then this answer gets saved in the contact custom field. And how I'm going to use this to make the message personalized, I'm simply going to copy this contact custom field, copy it to clipboard, and then I'm going to paste that in the next field. So this dollar is going to make this message dynamic, and whenever I'm going to receive a new answer, this gets replaced with that new answer. So this is how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot. In this manner itself, you can expand this WhatsApp chatbot. You can create more daily vocabs. You can create media-based drill, or you can create quiz like this. Just we have to make sure that we have kept this flow active. If we do not keep this flow active, the messages won't be sent, and also that we save this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So here flow updated successfully. So here I have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for vocabulary drills in a language school. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down below this video, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.